Hey guys, today I'm showing you the toad cage. Well, not toad cage. Technically, it's a frog cage mixed with the toad cage. Like I just made it like a few seconds ago. But yeah, I don't have it in I don't have anything in it. But if I do catch something to put in it, I'll keep y'all guys updated. But I'm gonna let you have a look at it. Yeah, that's what we're dealing with right now. I released two centipedes in there. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to find them anymore. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to find them, even if I saw them. Yeah, they're most likely burrowed and probably feasting on that giant little cricket. That giant cricket that I gave them, because they're only like they're only like one's this small. That's the smaller one named Mary because she's a female. And there's a bigger one this long. His name is Diego. He's a male. A young male. So yeah. Crazy dog. Dog cam. Dun dun dun. Dun dun. Bye.